Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Switching your default browser on your iPhone can enhance your browsing experience by aligning it with your preferred web browser. Follow these straightforward steps to change your default browser. Let's get started. The first step is to download your preferred browser. Open the App Store, search for the browser you want to set as your default. Download and install it. Next, open the Setting app and scroll down to your browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Chrome browser. Scroll down through the setting and select Chrome. Next, select Default Browser app. Here, you will see the list of browsers on your phone and you can select the preferred one. Ensure the check mark is next to your chosen browser, indicating it is now set as the default. And that's it guys, changing your default browser on your iPhone is a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you can ensure that all web links open in your preferred browser, enhancing your overall browsing experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.